Always struggling to connect your phone to your car's audio? Or tired of those cheap Bluetooth adapters that drop connection, sound poor, or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the LIHAN HY82 FM Transmitter car adapter, a compact and powerful device. Whether you're streaming music, handling hands-free calls, or charging your devices on the move, this versatile transmitter delivers reliable performance in seamless connectivity every time you drive. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the LIHAN HY82 car Bluetooth adapter, user manual, specifications, how to use. Insert the adapter into your car's cigarette lighter socket. Once plugged in, the LED display will turn on. To set the frequency, use the control button to select the FM frequency on your car's FM radio, then tune the adapter to the same frequency. For phone pairing, turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone, search for HY82, and connect. Once paired, it will automatically reconnect every time you start the car. For music, stream wirelessly from your phone via Bluetooth or through a TF card reader. Rotate the multi-function button to adjust the volume or short press to play and pause. You can also play the previous or next song with 2 buttons between the call button. All music will play through your car's speakers. For hands-free calling, press the call button to answer or hang up when a call comes in. You can also charge your devices using the dual USB ports, which safely and efficiently power 2 devices at the same time. That's it. Plug in, tune, pair, and enjoy wireless music, hands-free calls, and charging with the LIHAN HY82 car adapter. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.